Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can vibe code completely for free inside Antigravity IDE. So for it, first of all, let's go and open Antigravity. And after opening Antigravity, what you need to do is that we need to click on view, and here you need to find terminal. Here you can see terminal. So we are going to click on terminal, and there you can see it opened a terminal over here. Here you can see. So right now we are going to install OpenCode in this terminal. So for it, let's go to our browser. And in the browser, we are going to search over here opencode.ai. So it will take us to the OpenCode website, and here you can see npm. So we need to click on npm, and here you can see npm i-g OpenCode AI. So we need to copy this command. Then we'll go back to our Antigravity and we are going to paste the command here. So once you paste the command, then you need to press enter. So it will install OpenCode AI inside Google Antigravity. So it will take a few seconds to install, and there you can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you can just close this. After that, what you need to do is that you need to click on file, then we're going to click here open folder, and let me just create a folder over here. Let's say the folder name will be unlimited dash vibe code. So we're going to select this folder, then click here select folder. So it will open the folder over here. So we're going to trash the folder. So there you can see. So right now what you need to do is that we're going to click on view, then we're going to click on terminal. So since we already install OpenCode inside Antigravity, so right now what we need to do is that we need to say over here OpenCode. You just need to write this OpenCode and press enter. So it will open the OpenCode interface inside Antigravity. And there you can see. So here by default it will choose the pickle model. Here you can see this is a model. So if I just say over here /models and press enter, it will show us all the free model over here. And also here you can see build mode. So if I now click on tab, it will go to the plan mode. So right now if we just give a simple prompt and press enter, it will generate a plan for the prompt. So let's just go to the build mode, and for the free model, pickle is the best one. But if you want to change model, what you can do is that you can choose different model as well. You can use DeepSeek V4 Flash for free. You just need to click here and you need to choose the reasoning low, medium, high. So let's choose medium, and there you can see it choose this model. But for my case, I personally prefer big pickle. So I'm just going to choose big pickle, and I'm going to give a simple prompt over here. So I'm going to say over here, build me a tempo run game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I'll just only say this, and I'm going to press enter. So right now this big pickle model will read our prompt and it will start building the project for us. And there you can see right now this folder is empty. So here you can see our game creation is complete, and it only took 1 minute 48 seconds. So here you can see we have a temporun.html file. So let me just go to my folder, and I'll go to my new volume E, and here you can see unlimited vibe code folder. Let's go inside, and I'm going to double click on this file, and it will open in the browser. And there you can see tempo run. I'm going to click here start, and there you can see there is some issue. So there is some issue here you can see. So let me just tell it to our OpenCode that I am not able to play the game. The scenario moves without the character, and press enter. So if you want to get that desired output, you may need to give multiple prompts. And one more thing that there is no limit of how much you can use OpenCode. You can use any free model completely for free. There is no limit. And if for some reason you hit a limit, you can just switch to different free model. And there is one more thing that you can do is that you can give the first prompt over here and tell Cloud Opus to generate a plan for you, and you can give that prompt to OpenCode. Then OpenCode will be able to make a perfect game for you. There you can see it solved the problem, and it only took 2 minutes 9 seconds. So let me just go back to my browser and let me refresh. Click here start. And there you can see this time everything is working properly, and I can also move the character. There you go. I can also take the gold as well. There you can see I can also jump as well, and game over. So yeah, so this is how you can use open code inside Antigravity for unlimited free vibe coding. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.